of you who've been following our channel since a long time must be definitely aware about Avinay. It's a great place for seafood in Nerul. And this little place behind me was actually shown to me by one of my friends from Mumbai almost 6 years ago. His name is Anthony, and guess what? We have Anthony here.
What's up?
He's here from Mumbai. He's one of my childhood friends. So yes, I had to come back to this place with him. And yes, we have Ryan as well, who had shown us the place.
Ryan also was there. Yes.
Yeah, Ryan also was there. We'll put a picture of Ryan over here. And Ryan has an Instagram channel. He covers a lot of places in Goa, so do follow him. Alright, so we are waiting for some of your friends.
Few friends are coming, but we'll start.
We'll start, okay. So
Take
let's
some time.
okay. So let's head in there and get a table. That's what the parking looks like. That side it's for 4-wheelers and this side there's plenty of space for 2-wheelers. And once you enter inside, it's around 1:15 right now. So this is where you'll find most of the locals in the evening. They have their drinks, they have their seafood. Let's get in there. This side they have some alcohol on sale. Yeah, that's it. So what we are going to do now is we are going to go in there, take a left and head into the AC section. We've come in the AC section and Anthony and myself have got a table here, so that's what it looks like. And right now we are placing some of our order, but then some of his friends are coming all the way here from Kalangut. So once they arrive, that's when these guys, I'm assuming, will be eating seafood, right?
We'll be eating a lot of seafood, yes. So you'll be seeing a lot of messy food over here.
Yeah, so of course we eat that a lot here in Goa, and I will be giving you guys a surprise in this video because last time when I came here I had their Chinese, and these guys in Mumbai definitely get the best Indo-Chinese, but the Chinese here was quite close to what you get in Mumbai. So I'm going to order a little bit of Chinese and these guys are going to have the seafood. It's fresh lime soda for me and a chilled beer for Tony. Cheers. Cheers. The garlic chicken here looks absolutely red, just like Tony's cap. I think they wanted to impress him. That's the reason why they bought the garlic chicken, which is striking red. Anyway, let's taste and see what's the taste like. It's so red that we cannot get our eyes off. It's hot, okay.
But it's nice.
Taste is good. Crispy on the outside, soft inside. Just how you would expect a garlic chicken. And Tony, what do you think?
It's nice.
It's good, yeah. Tony says nice, but obviously not the Mumbai level nice, but yeah, but quite good. So Tony's got the second starter for today. This is the squids butter garlic. So we are going to pick one up and try this.
Very nice. Soft, very nice. Very nice.
Squids butter garlic is good. As you know, this place is known for their seafood and flavors are just how you'd want it. But this one, we cannot get our eyes off this. It is so red. But yeah, the taste was good. We are back and we are joined by Gladys, her daughter Jilana and Freddy. And yes, Anthony is still there with us here. We placed our orders. So what we have right now is the chicken noodles. That's mine, obviously. This is what Anthony...
Fish curry rice.
Fish curry. Which fish?
This is motso.
Motso, okay.
We have
This
chonak.
is chonak. And this is the prawns thali that Jilana has been waiting for since a long time. So we're going to have all of this, and meanwhile let me show you the crowd in the restaurant. There are some other people as well. So the only negative bit was he took a little while to get the order.
Yeah.
But that's
I
fine.
think
We
they're
spoke about a lot of things about Mumbai, about Goa. So now it's time to taste the food. So someone seems to be enjoying his fish curry and rice. How does it feel, Anthony?
It is good. It's always been tasty over here. I've been coming here for the past 6 years and the taste has always been the same. So it's still good.
That's nice. And Freddy, a few words from you.
Well, fish curry rice when you're in Goa, nothing can beat it. And we are, like Anthony said, the taste hasn't changed. The chonak, thickness as far as the size goes is gone down a bit.
It's gone down, yeah.
Yeah, it's become a little slimmer compared to what we have eaten when we have been there last time. But yeah, it's nothing can beat it.
Nothing beats the taste.
Yeah.
Inflation, that's inflation for you.
Inflation, there's no gas also right now. So
Okay, thank you for your honest reviews. And here is Gladys and her daughter, Jillian. Jilana, sorry.
So we've come here for the first time and we see a lot of variety in prawns thali. Still eating, but I'm sure
sure
it's
that-
tasty.
It's tasty. Yeah, so soul curry. That is bindi bhaji, I
Bindi
guess.
bhaji, yeah. That's
That's
fry
another,
shrimp.
yeah, another
Crabs.
pumpkin, some, okay,
those are
crabs,
shells, crabs,
Kisrio,
kisro.
gulab jamun and prawns here.
Here you have your cabbage.
Cabbage.
Cabbage
This is
cocktail.
cabbage, sorry.
Yeah. Lady finger and your
Soul curry.
Soul curry.
Nice. So as you can see here, everyone is enjoying their lunch, and the Hakka noodles as well. Again, is quite good, but yes, obviously not as good as what you get in Bombay, but it's very close. Once again, that's all of us having a good time, and we spoke about so many things about Mumbai, about Goa. It's always good to catch up with friends, and yes, the afternoon has been great so far. The weather outside is cloudy, it's windy. Anthony, you want to add anything?
Come to Goa, keep it clean and tidy, and eat a lot of fish curry rice.
That's good. Very good message from Anthony. In fact, we saw someone dumping bottles on the ground, on the road, and there was a local guy who shouted at him, right?
Yeah.
So we were just discussing, why locals get furious at people. It's not, for no reason. Only when they misbehave, that is when the locals get furious. Anyway, until the next one, take care, stay safe, and stay positive.